day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today is Wednesday, May 10th, 2023. It is 12:23 and 37 seconds, a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and today's research, antibiotic resistance. So let's hop to it here. As scientists uncover roots of antibiotic resistance by understanding how mutations occur, researchers can better understand and develop therapeutics to combat resistant infections. Date May 5th, 2023. Source: University of Central Florida. Microbiologists have uncovered the evolutionary origins of antimicrobial resistance in bacteria. The studies on bacterium that causes cholera, Vibrio cholerae, provide insight into deciphering what conditions must occur for infectious agents to become resistant. They studied genetic variants of a protein found in bacterial membranes called OMPU using computational and molecular approaches. The team found that several OMPU mutations in the cholera bacteria led to resistance to numerous antimicrobial agents. The resistance included antimicrobial peptides that act as defenses in the human gut. How antimicrobial resistance occurs in bacterial populations and the pathways leading to these new traits are still poorly understood, and this poses a major public health threat as antimicrobial resistance is on the rise. The researchers studied genetic variants of a protein found in bacterial membranes called OMPU using computational and molecular approaches. The team found that several OMPU mutations in the cholera bacteria led to resistance to numerous antimicrobial agents. And this resistance included antimicrobial peptides that act as defenses in the human gut. The researchers found that other OMPU variants did not provide these properties, making the protein an ideal system for deciphering the specific processes that occur to make some bacteria resistant to antimicrobials. And by comparing resistant and antibiotic-sensitive variants, the researchers were able to identify specific parts of OMPU associated with the emergence of antibiotic resistance. They also discovered that the genetic material encoding these variants, along with associated traits, can be passed between bacterial cells, increasing the risk of spreading antimicrobial resistance in populations under antibiotic pressure. And by understanding how mutations occur, researchers can better understand and develop therapeutics to combat resistant infections. They are also looking at environmental factors such as pollution and warming of the oceans as possible causes of resistant bacteria. They are also studying the genetic diversity of environmental populations, including coastal Florida isolates, to develop a new approach to understanding how antimicrobial resistance evolves. Understanding the bacteria that causes cholera, an acute diarrheal illness linked to infected water and foods, has global implications. The disease sickens up to 4 million people worldwide, and severe cases cause death within hours. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.